Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm a part-time reseller on an app called Poshmark as well as Mercari, and I'm also a part-time reseller on ThredUP. So I have for you today another ThredUP designer DIY unboxing. So I ordered 2 of these. I had never gotten these boxes before. Here she is. Sealed. So I've never gotten these boxes before, and I watch every single day. I think it's Monday through Thursday. I start watching between anywhere from 12 to 3 Eastern Standard Time. I'm constantly like refreshing my phone, and this came up. So I ordered 2 of them. I've already unboxed one of them, and I'll link that video below if you've not checked it out. Of course, anything y'all see on this video or on the other video, if you're interested in, just send me an email. You can, I'll link below where you can find me on Instagram or on email, and we can just do through PayPal, not worry about Poshmark shipping and all that stuff. So I'm excited. I've already had a couple of items out of the other designer box sale. I've not even listed all of them yet, so so I'm excited. So we will get to it. And if y'all have not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. Just click that button below. You can click the bell below. It'll send you notifications when I bring you new content. I am building my channel, so I'm so excited. I've learned everything I know about reselling from watching YouTube, and so I want to give back to the reseller community that way. And then also, if you like what you see on this content, then give me a thumbs up on your way out. So when you get the ThredUP boxes, they come like this with the green and white polka dot paper, and it's all sealed. And then I've got my receipt here. This was the rescue box. It's the DIY designer, and it's 7 items, and I paid $90 for it. So 7 items, $90. So we're gonna see. And I've already made my money back off the first box, I will tell you that. So as long as I can make my money back, I'd like to make more than that. But as you know, to me it's fun, so I enjoy it. So here we're gonna go. I'm gonna unseal. This box wasn't as heavy, and there's all kinds of air, so I'm interested to see what's gonna be in here. Okay. So first thing I see in here is Longchamp bag. It's brown. This actually looks like there was one in my other box as well. These, and I said it in my other video, but I will tell you, you look for the horse there and also the embossing on the button. And then here, these bags, I see them a lot at the Goodwill where people have done imitations with these like vinyl type bags. The thing with Longchamps is you will see that they're bad to get wear on the edges, little holes. I got a navy one in the other bag. This one is a little bit smaller, but it is actually in better condition. So I'll list it. I'm going to list, yeah, it's just inside the little pocket. I'm going to list the other one I got too. I'm just going to list it as is. So there's item number 1. So item number 2, what are you? Well, you're pretty and soft. Okay. It's a green handbag. It's like a mix between like a lime and an olive green. So it's got the handle here to hold with the little braiding. And then it's got a shoulder strap. Not sure what this is yet. Let me see this shoulder strap. It's in really good condition. It's got like gold tone hardware. Here's the edges. Opens up a little bit. Ooh, okay. So when it opens, it's like a suede here. Okay. These are suede. It's got a zipper pocket on the back. This is so soft, y'all. So soft. Okay. And it's got this thing hanging. What's this? Little LED light. I guess to find stuff in your purse. And it is part of the purse. It comes attached to it. Okay. And, alright, so now we're getting in here. This is Jerome Dreyfuss. Jerome Dreyfuss. I've never found this. I don't know that I've ever heard of it. So let me know in the comments if you all have gotten this, seen these, what you think of them. I'd love to hear it. So the inside is fairly, there's some pin marks, but nothing major in there. It's got some pockets. There is something here on the suede. It says Raymond. I'm assuming that is the style of bag. So it's just kind of like a little satchel. That's very nice. If y'all could feel this, and I don't really, other than some pin marks inside, there's not really any blemishes on it that I see. So I'm happy with that. I'll have to look up comps on that, but I'm happy with that. I almost want to keep that. It's very pretty. Okay. All right, so we've got, next thing is Christian Dior. And do I see a size on you? No, I don't see a size. But I'll look at measurements if it's something. There's on the back. Okay, it's the J'adore T. It's kind of got the rhinestones and embellishments, if you can see here. So let me see what's, okay. So it looks like it might have either it's some discoloration. I'm not sure if you can see that with the light or not. It's very light, but it's around the neck and the edges. It almost looks like, I don't want to say mildew, but it's just like a little speckling. So, okay. We'll see. I may see if I can soak, because the only place I see it is on both sides up here. I may see if I can soak just these edges here and some, oh no, I see it on the back too. Well, as long as I can not get this wet, I'll see if I can soak these in like OxyClean and see if it comes out. If not, then I'll just list it as is. Okay, there's 2 pair of shoes in here. So this is the next one. This is item number 4. These are Jimmy Choo's. Now with these DIY boxes, they are rescue boxes, which means they can be absolutely, the item, I've seen items in great condition. I've received items in great condition. Like you see, I've already got a cup, well, at least one here that's really good condition. But then you can also get stuff that's just not even functional. So here's the bottom of these. The heels, I mean, there's some like nips and things like that in the heels, but those are all good condition. The toes are kind of whatever. These, they're a real pretty copper color. I don't know. I'm going to list them. They're a really pretty color. And if you were wearing them with like a long pair of pants or something like that, they would be fine. And they are functional. There's nothing like falling apart on them or anything like that. But they are pretty beat up. So, but I'll list them. I'll just disclose all of it in the listing and go from there. Now, I will tell you this stuff. I cross-list my items onto Mercari. Pretty much everything I put on Poshmark, and I use List Perfectly, and I'll link that below so you can check them out. But I will tell you on this higher end stuff, I also, and I do this with anything that I source, with the higher end stuff, I also cross-list it onto ThredUP, which you can do using List Perfectly. And actually one of the items that I got in my last box, it was a Dolce & Gabbana tank top. I listed it on Poshmark and it was there for probably about, well, less than 24 hours. I got up the next morning and cross-listed it to ThredUP, and I got a notification within about 4 hours that it had sold at asking price. So yeah. People tend to be willing to pay up for things on ThredUP a little bit more. My very first thing I ever sold on ThredUP was a pair of Hudson jeans, and I can't give Hudsons away on Poshmark, but on ThredUP they sold for $88. So definitely higher end type things I cross list to ThredUP. The payout stuff is a little bit different. That's the only kind of thing with ThredUP is, well, hello puppy. With ThredUP is the fact that you have to wait. It takes a little bit longer to pay it out. It's several weeks. But, you know, if you send stuff into the Real or things like that, you're looking at the same thing too. And you do get a decent payout on ThredUP. So, all right, that was my spill on that. All right, so next pair of shoes. These are nice. Very nice. Okay. These are Escadas. They're size 6B, which I think is like a regular. The bottoms are scuffed up, but nothing crazy, nothing major, nothing major. They're a size 6, so that's the only thing. They are smaller, but they're I can't explain how they feel, but they're like almost like a hologram. They almost feel very suede-y. The heels back here are in good condition, which I'm very happy about. The toes, I think they're fine too. I don't see any major issues with this other than the fact that they're just a size 6, really. I mean, these are something that I would absolutely probably pay for in the thrift store to source, so they're really cute. So we'll definitely be listing those. Now, some of this stuff, if it could just be things that people haven't reclaimed, and some things, depending on what it is, I may actually send back into ThredUP. I typically don't send shoes into ThredUP unless they are very, very good condition, almost like new. So, all right, here's the last pair of shoes. These are Milano Blahniks 37. I think I said that right in my Tennessee twang. Milano Blahniks. That'd be my daughter out in the background with her music going. So these are just a pair of like black bow kitten heels. You can see there is a little flaw there, but to see it in person, they're like a linen. These are like a linen with the leather bow. So to see it in person, it's much more exaggerated right there on the screen. In person, you don't really see that. The toes look to be in pretty good shape. The heels are in good shape. Yeah, these are cute. I'll definitely list these. They are a smaller size, but I think they'll do well. All right, and then the last item. What are you? All right, so this is a black. So it's a black button-up lightweight sweater. Like a little 3/4 sleeve, little button-up. And it is a Burberry. And it is a size medium. So, yes. I don't see any holes. I do see on the sleeve here, and I'm just not sure what that is. I don't know if that's discoloration, if it's just needs washed, if it's like bleach has got a hold of it. I don't know. So I'll be investigating that further. But this is very, very nice. Very soft to the touch. It's 50% silk, 50% cotton. So it says hand wash, so I'll go hand wash that sleeve and see if I can figure out what's happening and going on with it. So that's it. That's our 7 items, and go on. Got a little furry helper. So we've got the Burberry cardigan that has the little area on the shoulder. We've got the Christian Dior t-shirt that I need to work on these shoulders here. We've got the Milano Blahnik kitten heels. We've got the Escada hologram heels. The Jimmy Choo copper heels. The Jerome Dreyfuss leather satchel bag. And the brown Longchamp bag. That's it. That's our 7 items. So I hope you've enjoyed this DIY designer unboxing. So far I've gotten 2 boxes from them, and both of them I've been happy with, and I think I'll have no trouble making my money back. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like that, give me a thumbs up on your way out. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Hope you're blessed, and stay safe out there, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.